Welcome to join today's webinar. I'm Rufi from Moldex3D Europe team. Today, we are going to talk about overcoming common injection defects with Moldex3D. Okay, so here is the outline, and there are so many common defects in injection molding. So I picked two topics, which are weld line and air trap for today's discussion. And later in the end, we will discuss some case study that include weld line and air trap together. Okay, here are some common defects we usually met. During injection molding process, show shot, burning weld line, sink mark, warpage flash are some of the common problems we will meet. And we can discover these problems by using Moldex3D Studio to simulate before we have those defects in reality. Okay, so first we talking about weld line. Typically, two melt fronts meet together, but these two melt fronts cannot interact with each other after they merge. So we can see here are some obvious weld lines, like these parts. We can see weld line here and weld line here. And the parts on the right, this one, you can see the obvious weld line here. Okay, so we start from weld line characteristics. So the weld line is the aesthetic and strength defect and formed when separates melt from meat. Okay, so but not every two melt fronts meet together then end up with weld line. So if mid angle over 135 degree, then it may cause melt line. Then if the melt degree lower than 135 degree, then it may be cause weld line. So here we can see an example here. This is the melt front direction, flow direction. And we can see melt front approach here because here is the square on the way for the flow direction.